Hello YouTube, another video for you. So I am changing the rear brake pads on a 21 Ford Expedition. This one is equipped with rear brake caliper actuators with this button, park brake, electronic parking brake. So for you to compress the rear caliper pistons so you can release the pads, you have to use a scanner. But I am going to show you a way without using a scanner, or there's another way. You could remove the actuator it has 2 bolts, and then you just got to do it manually, which is a lot of headache. You don't need to do that. I'm going to show you an easy way. I have a couple other videos for other cars as well. You can check them out in my channel. But thank you for watching, and let me show you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to press this, push it towards you as you are putting the parking brake on. So it's on right now, as you heard it. So what you do is you compress the gas pedal, not the brake, gas pedal. Press on, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it down. Sorry, not push up. We'll put it in parking brake position, but you need to push down, and then, sorry, I'm gonna use my hand to press the start button. So you press the start button twice. On, off, on, off. I'm sorry, off, on, off, on. So it's on now, and then off, on again. Now you can hear it releasing in the back until you see this message in shortly. Park brake maintenance mode. You release everything, turn off everything, and then you go and compress down compress in the piston of the rear calipers. Remove your caliper, not the actuator, the whole caliper with the actuator. Remove the pads, put the new pads in, make sure you lubricate them, and then you put everything back together, and you come back here again and you do the opposite. So what you do, you press you push it towards you, you lift it up like that. Okay, so what you do again, gas pedal first, and then on, off. That's gonna release it. You hear it again from the back. Continue to hold. Until the noise stops. Boom, done. Full accessory power active. That's it. And then you shut off everything.